Jopuonj maduong' mar Kapsabet Boys Secondary oyango ni jopuonjre 8 oseyudo fuong'ruok kendo othiedhgi mogi thuolo to mane oyudo hinyruok marach to chwal e osiptal ma Moi Teaching and Referral man Eldoret bang' masira mar apaya manyo jukos bas mar skundno ma Kapsabet Boys magitimore ka japuonj achiel kod japuonjre ne owito ngimagi masira no mar apaya mane otimore Kabarnet Marigat kaunti ma Baringo hiyo wacho ni jopuonjre mamoko yudo thieth e osiptand kaunti ma Baringo kaluwore kod masira makochno. Duol mar Kenha bende osundi ni oket gigo ma nyiso ranyisi apaya kaka yor geng'o masira.
I've visited some of the students in the wards. They are stable. They are looking forward to go back to school. They are even more encouraged to do even better. And I'm so encouraged by the confidence and the bravery they have shown. And I just take this opportunity to wish them quick recovery.
Let us support each other and let us do what is necessary to improve our roads and to put the necessary signs that is needed for the drivers to see any warning when the danger ahead any corner, which is very necessary.
As much as we want to do the signage, we can also introduce the electronic guidance on our vehicles so that they can guide you as a new driver. When you go new places, there's a way you can be alerted that this is a corner, those kind of things. There's a car that is coming before you and those kind of things. And I want to say the driver did his best. If you see where the incidents happened, you would really realize that in whatever situation, he tried his best.
All of them are in a fine state of mind and spirit. They are jovial, they have started taking their teas, and they are out of danger. Those who are referred to the MTRH yesterday are also reportedly to be fine.